today I'm going to use the free nose strips at sa wakas dahil nag-healed na yung ears ko at namuo na yung blackheads. So we will use this one, the Herb Deep Cleansing Nose Strips. So we have the usage here. This is my first time to use this, that's why I don't know. So let's see how to use this. Step 1. Clean your face and rinse with the water to make sure there is enough water left on your nose. I already washed my face. I just washed my face. And remove the tape from the transparent film and use the smooth surface to press both sides of the nose to drain the water until the tape completely adheres to the nose. And wait for 10 to 15 minutes. Did you get it?
Make sure the patch is dry, and then slowly pull the patch from both sides of your nose toward the center, and clean your nose.
So let's open this. Baka magkamali ako. Na ignorante. Okay. Here it is. Wow. Oh, it's just like this. Ganito lang pala. Oh, wait. So I'll just remove my eyeglasses and my ears. Oh, see, it's already healed, so hindi na siya masakit. Okay, so binasa ko siya kasi ayaw dumikit. So you have to put a little water para dumikit siya and wait for 10 to 15 minutes para mag-dry ulit siya. Ganun. What time is it? It's 11:40, 45, 50, 55. So I will remove this at 11:55 a.m. Oh, ganon ang lagkit. So while waiting for 15 minutes, I will just check the activities for my students, you know, teacher's life. Oh my gosh, ang lagkit. Nalagyan ng aking eyeglasses. This is one of my favorite songs, so it's true to life. Char. 11:56. It's already dry. Oh, tama nga, tama. So, let's see. Pakaingay ng mga aso. Ano ba yan? Kakaloka. Where's... Ano ba nangyayari sa labas? In fairness, may nakuha. 1, 2, 3. Oh, this is... I can see that this is effective. So, you cannot see it. Oh, meron siyang nakuha. Mga 5. Okay, so I'm done cleaning my nose. Check. And after this one, I will work out. Since it is Monday, I don't have class. And after working out, I will take a shower and do my work. So, by the way, thank you for my 32 subscribers. 32 loyal subscribers. So, sana madagdagan pa. So, that's all. Thank you so much. Goodbye and take care.